Elon Musk, Tesla's AI robot, is officially here. When Optimus was introduced to the world, people doubted whether the real humanoid robot was possible. Optimus was just an introduction to the concept of humanoids in this world. Just a year after Optimus, Elon Musk introduced real humanoid robot prototypes globally. On Tesla AI Day 2022, two robot prototypes were introduced. Bumble C and Optimus gained public attention with their amazing performance. Is Tesla's AI robot going to be marked in history? How are they designed? Let's know more about it, but before that, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. Bumble C was able to impress the audience by walking across the stage. The gentle walk showed the possibility of developing the robot to perfection. Elon Musk and his entire team were in great fear of whether they would risk their reputation by making Bumble C walk on the floor. They were not entirely confident about whether or not this humanoid prototype would be able to walk without falling. The revolution of Optimus took everyone by surprise. The prototype was unable to walk across the stage as it required a wheelchair to be presented. Optimus did a dance step and waved the audience, making it an interactive presentation. Elon Musk expresses his strong belief in making AI humanoid robots a success. He thinks that these robots would make a significant difference in this world by helping a large number of people with their daily life. He also added that the cost of Optimus would be much less than a car. It would be available to people with basic finances as it would be mass-produced. SRI's International Robotics Laboratory is a research establishment where Proxy was built. Proxy was a humanoid robot. The director of this research institute is Alexander Kernbaum. He was mesmerized by the achievements of Tesla, especially in the field of artificial intelligence, in such a short time. The demonstration of Bumblebee and Optimus was quite disappointing for the director, as he expected an amazing display of advanced technology. Tesla has gone for a basic human body design. Their ideology was to make the robots human-like and that they would respond with the same enthusiasm. The central computer, for which acts like a brain of the robot, is located in the torso of the robot. Elon has made sure to face limited damage in case Optimus failed to perform successfully. There were 28 structural actuators in the robot, which would enable to do big movements. They are also built to have great battery power of 2.3 kilowatts. Elon includes the longevity of the battery power to satisfy the customer's need to make the robot do more work for a long period. As the robots were designed to aid people in doing their daily chores, the hands of a robot can lift 20 pounds without any errors to perform. Elon has tried to bring certain functional qualities to human beings. The robot can take small objects with good grip. Sensors and metallic tendons enable it to give an excellent performance. Kernbaum thinks that the builders of these robots have wasted a lot of time developing the hand grip. They have failed to build an interactive robot. The software built by Elon has been appreciated by many. Optimus has been built in a way that can detect its surroundings using vision data. Multiple sensors are used to achieve this, and the robot can easily blend in with human beings by using motion data. Through this, it can even grab a box without any problems. The real-world challenge faced by a robot would be just to adjust the world full of chaos. Human beings live in a world where everything is done without proper order. Would the robots be able to do things on command? Would they recognize and perform the orders without any delays? The unstructured environment of human beings would be the biggest challenge to overcome by these robots. Elon has to make sure that they perform with great quality. Milan Kovac is the director of engineering at Tesla. He thinks that things have just begun and have a long way to go before these prototypes are useful robots. Optimus would be able to do helpful deeds for others by climbing stairs and lifting boxes. There will be a day when Optimus will be a familiar name in all households, and their short-term goal is to make Optimum work in factories. Their long-term goal is to make Optimum an all-purpose robot. Developing a robot for performing one particular task would be much more efficient. Such robots are a necessity in certain factories, such as picking fresh produce from large farms. There is room for more development in the field of artificial intelligence. We haven't reached a place where robots are incorporated into our daily lives. Many think that it would take a minimum of 20 years to witness fully functional robots walking down the streets. Tesla robots can walk forward and climb stairs, it can sit and pick up objects, and it's built in a way to lift objects, push objects, as well as walk by holding an object. The interaction of Optimus with human beings is limited. The interaction should be human-like and user-friendly. The robots should also maintain a natural approach without trying to imitate their users. With the invention of robots, many feared that shortly they would be replaced by such robots and would face unemployment. The chances are not less that it wouldn't happen in the next 40 years, but the intelligence and the conscious mind of human beings are unachievable. Robots are developed to ease the lives of humans and not to create problems. Tesla wants to lead the artificial intelligence market. There is a high possibility for them to turn into the only robot production company. The success and development of Tesla in artificial intelligence are unmatched. Tesla markets its cars as robots in wheels. In that scenario, robots with legs would be the tagline of Optimus. Elon Musk has high hopes for Optimus, and he stated that civilization would be transformed with the invention of Optimus. His vision is to provide a future of abundance to all people. This utopian thought of his dreams for a world where people wouldn't struggle to get access to the products and the services of their choice. When it comes to boosting the economy of the world, Optimus would play a massive role. And the heart of the future would consist on Optimus and Tesla. So what would be the cost of a Tesla robot? Would it be in the affordable range? The cost of a Tesla robot would be around $20,000. The main reason for such cost is Tesla's usage of extensive hardware. The roller screw and harmonic drive are used to build Tesla robots. One actuator acts as a mechanical gear, while the other actuator enables it to shift from rotational motion to linear motion. Elon believes that investment in artificial intelligence could bring in more returns than cars. Elon Musk hasn't fulfilled his promise of making the robots in an affordable range with mass production. There is a long way to go to achieve all this. Are you enjoying the video so far? Press the like button and keep watching. Along with the robots, Elon Musk wants to explore the field of highly advanced cars. He aims to build and launch a car which has a motion to self-drive. And there are certain hurdles faced by Musk in making this dream of a reality. Technical limitations and regulatory examinations are two major reasons which delay the process of building a self-driving car. Even though Elon is an eminent personality and he has turned into a brand himself, there are times when things didn't go as planned for him. Back in 2019, during the display of the Cybertruck, the armed window shattered as a metal ball was thrown at it. Many say that it was a marketing strategy of Elon Musk to gain attention. Others think that it was a tremendous failure of execution on the part of Elon Musk. This questions whether or not Optimus is fully capable of doing the things that they promise. Would there be a functional error in the robots? Tesla has invested a fortune in vehicles and robot research. They are striving to be the best in both of these fields, and their achievements are outstanding at the same time, and they are trying to be better than their inventions. Tesla is said to have been developing the most advanced version of their supercomputer named Dojo. They haven't disclosed any more about it. Tesla hasn't limited itself to a software company. It has built hardware which goes hand in hand with its advanced software. It has enabled them to produce good quality results without requiring high amounts. They are quick in developing needed software and have proved their excellence. The main reason for reduced competition is because of how fast Tesla is growing. Their opponents are too slow to catch up with them, and their announcements of futuristic robots have divided opinions. Some say that they shouldn't play with the lives of human beings by launching robots. Others requested Tesla to accelerate their process and make robots available commercially for them to purchase. Tesla has ignored all the negative opinions and comments. They're going on with their projects in full force. They wouldn't drop their plans as Elon already has high hopes in the making of robot success. One of the challenges that they have to face is testing the robots in real-world situations. They have to be extremely careful as human lives are precious and robots shouldn't cause any harm. Are you excited to live in a world with robots? Would you purchase one if you get the opportunity? Let us know in the comments section.